Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add comment in OneNote on iPhone. Let's begin. Adding comments directly to specific content, like in Word or Excel, that you are familiar with is not a built-in feature in OneNote, especially if you're using OneNote on your iPhone. But of course, we're going to explore some workarounds to simulate adding comments like what we are familiar with. All right, so number one option is I want you to hover to the notebook or the page that you wanted to put a comment. In my case, I'm going to be going to the D paths. For example, this one right here. I'm going to add some comment. Now, you can use some clever workaround. For example, I'm going to be putting in, say, this section right here. This check right here. It's kind of like a small icon, right? And put in maybe a comment. And then maybe put an emoji if you want. For example, I'm going to be choosing something like maybe like this one right here. All right. And then after that, say for example, make picture bigger. All right. And then you put in a bullet kind of text here. All right, so and then add another one, say make picture bigger, make, say for example, make video longer, and then send final draft before posting. All right, so these are going to be some of your workaround to, of course, create or simulate a comment kind of feel. Now, you go to the top right corner and copy the link to page. All right. I want you to go back. Notebooks, for example, this. Three dots icon, click on the share notebook. For example, copy link to notebook, view and edit. All right. And there should be an option here that says share notebook, invite people to notebook. Now you can put in a comment as well here. All right, comment. And then from here, for example, this need feedback. All right. And then send it to your client or team members that you're working with, because OneNote is used for collaboration tools in general here in Microsoft. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video.